good in there. Only slightly slack on that retainer nut.
So another one on our trip out to Hell's Revenge for the day. Broken track bar bracket, the threads of the Heim joint pulled out. So we just welded it back together because once again, it's easier to drive it out than it is to carry it out. All right, here we are. We are at Behind the Rocks trailhead. So you can see where they're heading up right there. Jeep is right there. We're gonna run up there. Got front suspension issues, so we'll see if we can weld it in place, fix it, do whatever. We're gonna go up there and get it out, whether we gotta pick it up and carry it out or whatever we gotta do. Here we go. So this is the hard part during safari. There's trail rides out here, so there's big groups. So you've got to take your time and be slow and be patient. Because everybody out here has just as much right to be out here as you do, whether they travel faster or slower than you. So keep calm and be respectful. We're all out here having fun. All right, here we are. So we're gonna pick this up. We got it rigged up. An upper control arm brake. So we got the chains running under to basket it. Running up. And we're going right down there to my truck. Half a mile. Should go smooth. It takes excessive pressure in 3-link. But like a 4-link, you can drop the link if you want. Like those ridiculous Jeeps. They're 5-link. Okay, so we are on Hell's Revenge. Once again, heading in for a side-by-side. I have my super awesome co-pilot over here, Lily. She enjoys going on recoveries with me. So here we are. We're gonna have her do some filming today. Here we go. Okay, so we're going after one razor, and now we just passed a guy on the entrance that there's another one out here. So we're gonna go get one, take it to the parking lot, and then we're gonna come back and get the other one. So today's a twofer. Oh, lost a tire. That's not good. So we're out here loading this side-by-side up, but we're at an angle that we can't solve. So as you're trying to pull it up onto the trailer, side-by-side up onto the trailer, it's sliding over. So I've got my secondary winch run over here, and I hooked onto here and actually pulled the rear end sideways onto the ramps like I need. So now as I pull it forward onto there, it'll go on. All the winches on the truck, they're all used and necessary. This tire, the axle shaft broke and the wheel bearing came apart, and this is all bound up with the brake caliper. Everything's just twisted up and bent in there, and that tire isn't rolling. There's nothing you can do about it other than just skid it on. So having an extra winch to help pull it sideways versus trying to muscle something over just works. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook up this. It's a pulley like a snatch block. The side hill is so steep, the buggy is actually falling off the trailer. So what we're hoping this does is let us pick it up without it falling off the trailer.
Yeah.
See?
Pop the tire right off.
Yeah. Pick it up.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Well, I don't know about any of that.
Well, okay. A little easy peasy.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to use a ratchet strap to pull this over, get it between the fingers. There we go. That's now between the fenders, so it's going to hold itself right there. Now we just got to worry about the front. Okay, so it is loaded up and is strapped down as best we can. I really wish I could get an angle to somehow show how steep that is. Go stand over there, Lily. Yeah, that's leaned pretty good. So we're loaded up. Hey, let's get out of here, okay? So, I did an oops. I didn't lock the hubs in. So that's why we just stalled out on this hill, because we spun out because we didn't have the hubs in because Dad wasn't thinking.
Can we still get up?
Oh, we can still get up. I just got to get out and lock the hubs in. Now unlock. There we go. I bet we can do it now. Silly Dad. Not watching what he's doing. That was awfully silly. We just went right up at that time. Yeah. Silly Dad.
Really bad.
Yeah.
Silly.
All on me. See? Everybody makes mistakes. Me and and Mike are heading for Hell's Revenge to get a side-by-side. Look at Mike over here.
Hey, how's it going, man?
I'm filming you, filming me.
You got the Alcan back springs?
Yes, sir.
You just told me you got them.
Yeah.
You like them?
Oh, I love them. This thing rides amazing.
Well, I'm going to try change mine to that.
Oh, highly recommend.
We're trying it in two-wheel, kind of, four-wheel.
Well, it depends on the angle of the rear door.
Well, we're up at the staircase, and then we crawled her up here, and then hauled her over here in three wheels, and then we're like, we're not gonna make her down, so we're just
His wife,
Okay.
and she was really mad because, you know,
She said no.
she's like, what the heck are you doing with the racer, you know? And then we're celebrating her best friend's birthday,
Okay.
and she's, yeah, awesome, man.
Oh, hey, they got snacks. Yes, let's turn on to it. Hey, easy, easy. Whoa, 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 whoa.
vamos a escucharlo de este lado. Mucho. Espérenme.
Okay, hang on, hang on.
Vamos, ahí está.
Turn this way. Easy, easy.
No, ahí está ya.
Okay, well, hold up right there. Just hold up, hold up. Very easy, very easy. Oh.
Dale.
Good. That's fine right there. Put it in front. No. We'll get it.
Okay.
They're just trying to get a discount by helping, so I can't.
Oh, it's all good.
Looks like the lower control arm gave up, huh?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just for one time.
Ball joint or what?
No, like the
No.
arm itself.
Oh.
In there.
I went up, what's that place?
Escalator.
Escalator. I went up escalator, and I didn't know that hole's there, right in the middle.
Yeah.
And I was a little bit hot. Came down, and it just, well, as soon as it came down, it just against that side.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yep.
Yeah.
What's the channel?
Trail Mater.
Trail Mater, okay.
Okay, back. Oh, hang on.
What you seeing?
She's hanging up on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Turn, yeah. Oh, right there. Perfect. So we got the side-by-side out. He rode in the side-by-side. How was that?
Awesome. It was
Good time?
fantastic. It was a great time.
Pretty steep hills going up like that.
It was hugely fantastic. Had a whole bunch of fun.
Awesome, cool. Well, like I said, we got it dropped off in the lot. He's gonna put it on his trailer, take it home, wrench, wheel, brake, repeat.
Yep. Let's do it again.
Awesome. Cool.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming. Thanks for coming to our rescue.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday.